Our guest speaker is from India, MBBS. MB for the last 35 years. Dr. Parvana. I hope you have written all the questions down because we want to keep it brief. We are pressed for time. And I'd like to bring Dr. Parvana to the mic. And of course, I'm going to ask him the first question.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening.
Okay, I'll ask you the first question. I suffer from migraines. I just want to know what it triggers and how I can avoid it.
I think it would be better if I first talk about the product I'm dealing with. Because when I give you information about it, probably you'll get answers to most of your questions. Generally, for migraine, people just resort to allopathic medicines. Generally. You take a pill, the pain subsides, but after some time the pain comes again. This is what happens in migraine. You migraine addicts, that's what you're talking about?
Yeah, that's what I'm
Similarly, in most of the problems, if one gets a disease, one pops in a pill, symptomatic relief is there, but it comes back after some time. Wouldn't it be better if we get something which keeps the body healthy and diseases don't come? Won't that be better?
Oh, yeah.
As it is said, prevention is better than cure. And during my experience of last about 10 years with a herbal product, alternative medicine, I've added another thing to this. The prevention is better than cure. I've added another thing. It's much cheaper. It's not only better than cure, it's much cheaper. Because once one gets a disease, one starts using some medicines. Over a period of time, because of the side effects of medicines, there are so many other problems. Generally, I am a doctor of allopathy system for the last nearly 38 years. But for the last 10 years, I shifted from modern medicine into alternative medicine. Now I don't practice allopathy. I practice alternative medicine, which consists of lot many things. Herbal, energy medicine, there's so many things. Like acupressure and Reiki, you must have heard all these things. All these are covered in under alternative medicine. And basically what I deal with is herbal medicine. Now it would be intriguing, the same organs, and they also suffer from problems. About 15-16 years ago, I was afflicted with a problem. We are not getting pure here. Though in this part of the world is relatively pure. Relatively pure. But in third world, we don't get this pure air to breathe. 24/7, we are inhaling, eating, and drinking toxins. And those toxins are responsible for causing problems in our body. And of course, the stress and strain, because of which the hormone system of the body gets disturbed. And thereby, because of all these things, ultimately it's the immune system of the body which doesn't function properly. If the immune system functions properly, I think it can take care of almost every problem in the body. Immune system is a doctor set up by nature. Doctor of the body set up by nature. And if the immune system is in perfect functional order, I believe human body is the best doctor. But today, It is not so. What this mushroom is going to do in this scenario? Well, the powder of this mushroom, as I told you earlier, it's in capsules, it's in tea, it's in coffee, and some day-to-day products. When one consumes these products, the powder of this mushroom goes into the blood, and through the blood, it reaches each and every cell of the body. And it works at the cell level. It doesn't work on diabetes. It works on the cells of the pancreas. It doesn't work on asthma. It works on the cells of the lungs. And my cardiologist, he had advised me, he had prescribed me some medicine and had asked me that I will have to take this medicine all my life. It's more than 10 years. I'm off those medicines. Started for arthritis. But it's more than 10 years. I've not used any medicine for the heart.
And I got arthritis.
Arthritis.
Yeah. So, if I go to take this medication, should I take all those other medication what I take? Yeah.
When you start using this product,
Yeah.
you have to continue using those medicines for some time. For some time. Till this mushroom completes the detoxification process and the bioregulation process. Till the electrical, chemical function of the cells are balanced, till that time you continue using this medicine. After that, you can stop. Rather, you keep in touch with your doctor, and keep consulting your doctor. A time will come, your doctor will say, now you don't need this. After checking your BP and your cholesterol and all that, your doctor will say, you don't need it. One thing I would like to add before inviting more questions. Many people who start this, that becomes alright. But one has to be prepared for that. I'll give you some examples of ailment reflections. If a person is suffering from some liver problem, when Ganoderma detoxifies the liver cells, there is redness of the eyes. If a person is suffering from some kidney disease, kidney failure, is on dialysis or is not yet on dialysis, when Ganoderma starts working on the kidney cells, the patient feels as if he or she is becoming hard of hearing. There is blocking sensation in the ears. If a person is suffering from paralysis of any part, when Ganoderma starts working on the nerve cell, the person starts feeling pain in the paralyzed part. If a person is suffering from asthma, when Ganoderma detoxifies the cells of the lungs, they are called mast cells. When it detoxifies the cells of the cells, the asthmatic person has a few vomits and it passes phlegm for a few days. If a person is suffering from any heart problem, cardiac problem, heart attack or heart failure or myopathy, cardiomyopathy, something like that, when Ganoderma starts working on the muscles or cells of the heart, that person gets a hot sensation on the face. Some people even get redness on the face. It is known as flushing of the face. A person who is suffering from high blood pressure, when Ganoderma starts working on that, that person feels pain at the back of the upper part of the head. And for a couple of days, the blood pressure rises. Nothing to worry. Nothing to worry at all. If a person is suffering from low blood pressure, hypotension, when Ganoderma works on that, the person feels pain at the back of the lower part of the heart. If a person is suffering from cervical spondylosis, when Ganoderma works on that, the person gets a little giddiness. Nothing to worry. Positive signs. If a person is suffering from hemorrhoids or piles, when Ganoderma starts working on that, the person has a few loose motions and passes blood along with that for 2-3 days. Nothing to worry. If a person is suffering from joint pains, arthritis, rheumatoid arthritis or osteoarthritis, the pain aggravates for some time. The joints are swollen also for some time. for a couple of days. Nothing to worry. These are good signs. These are signs that Ganoderma has started working. Whenever any patient comes to me, I inform every patient about these symptoms. If I don't do that, supposing a person comes to me, a person of arthritic patient comes to me, he or she already has joint pains, and if I don't tell him or her that the pains will aggravate, the patient is not going to continue it. He is going to throw it away. He or she is going to throw it away, and it has damaged me. But this is a positive phase. It's a positive effect. It's a temporary effect, and it is working. During that time, supposing the symptoms are severe, supposing guarantees the Almighty, but these are the experiences which are sort of torchbearers. Now that if we have talked about it, the guarantee and whether it has helped, should I talk of one testimony? Would you like to hear a testimony?
Yes.
Yes. I am an MBBS doctor, just a general practitioner, and cancer patients don't come to general practitioners. I started using this product in January 2002 for my own problem, and started sharing with others with the hope that it will help people. In September 2002, when I was 8 months into this, I got the first cancer patient of my life. That person had cancer of the large intestine. It is known as adenocarcinoma. And he had been in a cancer hospital for nearly 2.5 months. He had been given all kind of chemotherapy and treatment, whatever was possible. And in September 2002, when the CT scan was done, it was discovered that the cancer has spread to the liver and the backbone also, which was not there 2.5 months earlier. Before chemotherapy, it was not there. And somebody told that person about me. He came to me and he said, Dr. Prana, somebody has told me that you have a medicine for cancer. I said, somebody has given you wrong information. Somebody has misguided you. I don't have any medicine for cancer. I have this natural herb. I have read about it, and I have read in research reports and in some books and some literature that it has some effect on cancer. Whether it has or not, I don't know, because I have not given to any cancer patient as yet. I told him that he was the first cancer patient of my life. But he was a very positive person. He asked me, what do you advise? I told him only one thing. I told him that you have been in a cancer hospital for 2.5 months. And you must have seen during those 2.5 months that the end of a cancer patient is very painful. He said yes. So I told him to start using this product with just one thing in mind, that the end is coming. 2 to 3 months away, as the oncologist had told him, that you just have 2 to 3 months to live. So I told him, you start with this thought in your mind that the end is coming, you use it so that the end is not so painful. You live a quality life as long as you live, leave the rest to God. I started him in September 2002 with 30 pairs every day. And after 4.5 months, in February 2003, he went back to that hospital for some investigations. They were surprised to see him alive, because in their file, the book, it was written 2 to 3 months prognosis, and he was there after 4.5 months and looking healthier. All his tests were done, CT scan, MRI, whatever was possible, and the report. Definitely, this is my suggestion. Along with those medicines, add this as a supplement, as a food, not as a medicine. Because it's not a medicine, as a food supplement, and once the body system is cleansed and repaired and regenerated, one would be able to give up those medicines over a period of time. Thank you. Okay.
Did I understand you correctly that you have to take it for between 1 to 3 years before one sees?
The regulation average period is so much, the repair average period is so much, the regeneration average period is so much, 1 to 3 years.
You being in India, who else can become that your repair?
Mrs. Rashmi? Mrs. Rashmi?
So what is her qualification?
She's not a doctor, but she has knowledge about this food supplement. But if there's any medical problem, she rings me up or the patient talks to me. I guide on the phone or through emails. I tell the patient, there are so many patients in Canada and America, they just send me their reports by emails. I guide by email and they get the products from her. And I guide how to use the product, how much to use.
So how can I get your email?
I'll give you my card. I have my card. I'll give you.
But Rashmi's is on the flyer.
Can I tell her something? She's my student as well. Yes, she came for the.
Yeah, Rashmi, come in.
Yes, you are my student as well in a computer class. Yeah. So that is why I want to answer this question. See, in regards to the products and all that, the detailings, my email address is there. You can send directly to Dr. Parwana or you can send it to me. I will forward to Dr. Parwana, and then once you get the email, you can just interact with Dr. Parwana. That's not a problem. And even I am consuming this product for almost like 10 years, and I was suffering from sinusitis and colitis. It's been cured. My husband was suffering from high blood pressure and eczema. Problem is solved. There's nothing. And he went for his physical checkup here in Canada, and doctor said that if you can just control your diet, just stop taking medication. So it's a very, very positive product, and it's nothing, it's just a food supplement.
Yes, Mike.
Yes, please.
I have a question for you, doctor.
Yes?
My wife is suffering from dementia.